1974 Pontiac Trans Am SD 455. Only 943 Super Duties were built for 1974, making this a rare piece for any sharp muscle car collector. The new second generation of Pontiac Firebird was introduced late in the production calendar, debuting in February 1970, largely in part due to late production tooling changes at the manufacturing plants. It would now only be offered in coupe form and various trim models, of course, carrying the design until 1981. The Trans Am would continue to reign supreme as a top model, and in 1971, Pontiac offered their sports car model with a stout 455 cubic inch V8 for the first time, with Trans Am receiving a high output version through 1972. In 1973 and 74, the Trans Am would be offered in a special 455 version called the Super Duty 455, or SD 455. Even with the federal emission standards at an all-time high, Pontiac managed to muster a stout 290 SAE horsepower output compared to Corvette's only 275 advertised horsepower. It would only be available from Pontiac for these 2 production years, with just 252 in 1973 and 943 in 1974, making them exceptionally rare considering they represent only 1% of all Firebirds in Trans Am productions those same 2 years. Here, we have a beautifully restored 1974 Pontiac Trans Am Super Duty 455, finished in factory code correct CC cameo white over 811 blue vinyl interior. Under the hood lies a 455 cubic inch V8, mated to a 3-speed turbo hydromatic transmission and standard limited slip rear differential. Options include factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, 15-inch Rally 2 wheels, electric rear window defrost, all soft ray tinted glass, windshield washers, AM/FM radio, full interior lamp group, front and rear rubber floor mats, and even more. If you like rare cars and want to see more, click subscribe and visit our website to see all of our current vehicles.